Okay, so in this video I'm trying to remove this controller from the video actually, and my video editing software has a AI function integrated now, which has something called motion tracking, and with that motion tracking it should be able to remove that controller. And let's just see how it works. Okay, so next step would be load it into Wondershare Filmora, the software I'm using, and then we do some marking, which I'm going to mark the object which we want to remove. Then we start the AI, which does a motion tracking, and then let's see how that works out. So I'm not doing a really good marking. I just want to see how quickly we can do that without playing around too much. So that's the first time I'm using that function, and let's just see the rough results without any tweaking. And now here we see more or less the end result. So to be honest, I never used it before, so to be fair, with a little bit more tweaking, I am pretty sure that we could actually remove the object pretty good. So to be fair and square, it's kind of okay. Now this was not a super complex task, to be honest, but I've chosen like a tile floor to make it a little bit more complex for the AI to remove it. And as I said, I'm pretty sure if I play around with it and with a little bit of tweaking, it could remove an object